Malcolm makes family connections in Canada, but there's bad blood. That's in 35 minutes here on BBC Two.
Hello and welcome to Top of the Pops. We start off the show with a new entry, Calling Right in Camcorder for Her.
Sat on the balcony on my own, with my party dress, but we've got it all on camcorder for her, so too many pornos. Camcorder for her. Camcorder for her, camcorder for her, camcorder for her. We'll have to keep an eye on her. It's usually me that's in that state. I've had like at least 6 to 8 vodka and ginger ales. Vodka and ginger ales. Camcorder for her. Robbie Williams, Tom Jones, Freddie Mercury, Blues Brothers. I've had Robbie Williams in the bedroom full of a bin with a plastic bag inside. I'll go get me jammies on. I've had like at least 6 Tom Jones doubles. The toilet, a bit. But we've got it all on camcorder for her, so too many pornos. I just don't think I'll work early in the morning to tell the truth. Camcorder for her, 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 camcorder for her.
I'm going to say good night and see if I can have a doze, see what happens in the morning. Night night, night night, night night.
There you go, I mean it's a nice song, Fern, it's a nice song, it's just not a very nice name.